Hello students, good afternoon all. Welcome to this session. Now this is regarding SBI Clerk Prelim quick practice sessions. Daily we are conducting these sessions for 3 hours. Each subject is for 1 hour. That is reasoning, quant and English. Each subject is for 1 hour. Okay. Now today let us directly start with this wrong number. Now on the other day, and some of the students were asked for this wrong number series. So wrong number series cheppandi anesi. And that is the reason we have come out with this wrong number today. Now let us start with this question number 1. Now time given for this one is 30 seconds. I will give 30 seconds for you to work out. And once you have completed solving this one, then in the comment box and please type your answer. Okay? Start. Yes, again I am giving 30 seconds because some other students have not started it. Make it fast. Yes, good. Venkateshwara, you have got 121. Narsappa, choice 3. Choice 3 means 154. Harshita, you have also got choice 3. Good. Ashok. Arvind. Lakshmi, you have got a different answer. Fine. Then, coming back to this one. 198, 195, 188. Now first మనం ఏం డిటర్మిన్ చేయాలి చెప్పండి ఇందులో మోడల్ అంటే డిఫరెన్స్లోకి వస్తుందా ప్రోడక్ట్లోకి వస్తుందా కాంబినేషన్ వస్తుందా ఫస్ట్ మనం డిటర్మిన్ చేయాలి అవునా కదా అందులో ఫస్ట్ చూడండి నెంబర్స్ అన్నీ చిన్నగా తగ్గుతున్నాయి కనుక ఏమవ్వాలి చెప్పండి నెమ్మదిగా తగ్గుతున్నాయి చిన్నగా తగ్గుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి అండ్ ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి అండర్ డిఫరెన్స్ క్లియర్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్ డిక్రీజింగ్ a smaller rate, then definitely it must be under difference. Now here again the numbers are in the decreasing order. Whenever the numbers are in the decreasing order, we should always start in the reverse order. Okay, and 121 and 154, tell me what is the difference between these two? 32. And 154 and 175 make a difference ento vastundi cheppandi 54 and 75, and the difference is so much 21, isn't it? Now here the difference between these two is so much 21. And next one, and 175 and 188. Here the difference is so much, and 75 the difference is 13. And here the difference is so much, and 7. 88 plus 7. Now here the difference is 3. Now minus 3, minus 7, minus 13, minus 21, minus 32. Now are the differences between the numbers. Now 3, 7, 13. Now these numbers malli if you observe here, they are neither squares nor cubes or multiples or something else. Hence, what is your answer here? Then we need to go for differences of differences. 3 and 7 difference anta 4, and 7 and 13 6, and 13 and 21 the difference is 8. 4, 6, 8. Next anta raval cheppandi 10. 10 means 21 plus 10. 31 must be subtracted, isn't it? As 31 must be subtracted from this one. 154 minus 31, and it cannot be 121, and choice 4 is the odd one. And again in this wrong number series, in general what most of the people will do is, you will find out the correct number. There is no necessity for you to find out the correct number. Follow here లేదా మీకు ఇక్కడ ఏముండాలి చెప్పండి మనకి రాంగ్ నెంబర్ ఏది ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తే మనకు చాలు అంతేగాని ఇది రాంగ్ నెంబర్ అని తెలిసిన తర్వాత కూడా మళ్ళీ కరెక్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏంటి అది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయవలసిన పని లేదు మనకి. Are you getting my point or not? Hence, here the difference between the numbers are what? 4, 6, 8, 10. Even number differences. Okay? Now this is about question number 1. And what is your answer here? Choice 4 is the answer. Tejasvi, you have given the correct answer. And again, yes, Ajay. Good. Then coming to question number 2. My second question chestara. Now your time, just 30 seconds. Please try to work out this. Last 5 seconds. Yes, so time is up. Then coming to question number 2. చేయగలుగుతున్నారా లేదా? Or shall I give some more time for you people? Okay, from next question onwards, I will give 1 minute. ఇంత టైంకి ఒక్కరు కూడా రెస్పాన్స్ రాలేదు ఇంకా. Is it that much difficult? Then, yes, Divya. Choice 3 you have given good. Starting with Divya, Krishnaveni, Harshita. Good. Now here, much mali 278 and 534 almost double. 150, 278 it is not double. Clear? కానీ numbers కనీసం double కూడా అవ్వట్లేదు. Hence again it must be under difference. Now in the difference, as the numbers are in the decreasing order, you should always start in the reverse order. But 35 and 54, tell me what is the difference between these two? The difference is so much. 35 and 54, the difference is 19. And 54 and 86, the difference is so much, 32. And 86 and 115, now tell me what is the difference here? And 64 is the difference. And 150 and 278. Now here the difference is so much, 128. Now we have got a number here. 128, 64, 32. కనుక ఏమవుతుందని చెప్పి next one must be 256. Now check out whether it is 256 or not. And 256 divided by 2, 128. 128 divided by 2, 64. 64 divided by 2, 32. 32 divided by 2, how much? 16. And 16 must be subtracted from this 54. Hence 35 is the wrong number. 35 that is given in choice 3, question number 2. Hope everyone got this one? Fine. Yes, so whoever worked out, they have worked out correctly. ఎవరైతే చేశారో అందరూ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ అయితే చెప్పారు. The only thing is కొద్దిగా ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకుంటున్నారు మీరు. I will also give some more time for you people, okay? Let's start working on this one, question number 3. As your time starts now. Yes, one of you are given choice 2. Good. Yes, Krishnaveni choice 2. Harshita, good. Yes, 35. 35 is given in. 35 ఎవరో పాత క్వశ్చన్ అనుకుంటా. సిరి నర్సప్ప choice 2, good. Ajay 1440, fine. Fine, good. Yes, almost all of you have given the correct answer. Then coming back to this one, మనం ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి whether it comes to difference, product or combination. ఏ మోడల్లోకి వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? 11, 23, 71 అవునా కదా? 11తో స్టార్ట్ అయింది 8600. Numbers are increasing at a very fast rate. 1400 నుంచి 86, isn't it? That means it almost 6 times వరకు మనకు పెరుగుతుంది. Hence it must be under which category here? Definitely under product or combination. And product is not possible between 11 and 23. Hence it must be under combination. Now this is how you need to find out the logic. Clear? 11 and 23, 11 into 2, 22 plus 1, 23. Now 23 into how much? Now 23 into 3, 69 plus 2, 71. Into 2, into 3. Next one is into 4. This is into 5, into 6. Then 71 into 4 plus 3. 71 into 4 is how much? 284 plus 3, 287. Next one into 5 plus 4. Next one into 6 plus 5. That means the last digit must be 5. Isn't it? 1440 into 6. 0 into 6 is 0. Plus 5, last digit 5 రావాలి. As the last digit is not 5. Hence what is the wrong number we have? And now 287 into 5. 7 into 5 how much? 35 plus 4, 39. Here the last digit is wrong. And so what is your answer? 1440. That is choice 2 is the answer. Now follow అవుతున్నారా? ఇది కరెక్ట్ అయింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఇది కరెక్ట్ వస్తుంది. And so what is the logic? Into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5, into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are at it. Hence 287 into 5 plus 4. Isn't it? 7 into 5 plus 4, last digit is 9. That is the wrong one. Hope everyone followed this one. Question number 3, that is choice 2. Then coming to question number 4. Yes, your time starts now. 17, 37, 58, 88, 145 and 283 are the numbers given. Then find out the wrong number among the given 6 numbers. Yes, actually, I will let you know, okay? And most probably that would be at 6 o'clock. Most probably, I'm not sure about, I will let you know after that. As your time is up, 1 minute. Jeevan Sai has given the answer. My remaining persons, anyone please? మా 1 minute అయిపోయింది అయినా ఇంకా మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేయట్లేదు. ఎస్ 283 Akhila. And Harshita, you have got choice 3. And Narendra, and you have also got choice 3. Good. Fine. Then in this one, 1737. 145 into 2 is how much? 290. It is not at least double. It must be under difference. 17 and 37, the difference is 20. 37 and 58, the difference is how much? 21. And 58 and 88, the difference is 30, and 88 and 145. And 88 and 45, the difference is how much? 57. Isn't it? 88 and 12 plus 45, the difference is how much? 57. And next one, 145 and 283. Now tell me what is the difference between these two here? 138. Clear? Now these are the differences we have. Then we need to find out the differences of differences. Then 20 and 21, here the difference is 1. Next one is 9. Here the difference is almost 27. Isn't it? 1, 9, 27. Now here from here to here. Now tell me 1, 3 and 27. Then what is the difference between 57 and 138? And 13, 81. Now 81 is the difference. Now 81 can be written as 3 power 4, 3 power 3, 3 square, 3 power 1. కనుక ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉండాలి చెప్పండి 3 must be the number. Clear? That means 138 minus 81 57 minus 27 30, 30 minus 9 21, 21 minus 3, how much to be subtracted here? 17 must be subtracted. Hence what is the wrong number? 17 is the wrong number, that is choice 3. Are you getting this one or not? Yes, good. Most of you have given correctly, but not all. Okay? And question number 4, it is choice 3. Then coming to question number 5. Now 5th one. Yes, start. Yes, we are very sorry yesterday because we could not able to give this live stream yesterday because, and there were some technical issues here. Severe internet problem yesterday. That is the reason we could not able to give live yesterday. 1380, Ashok Verma, that is choice 2, good. Ashok, 459 you have got. Yes, your time is up. Then 1930, now again, 19 to start out, 1300. And 400 to 1300 numbers are increasing at a very fast rate, isn't it? Then, now if you observe 19 and 30 into 2 minus 8. Now this is into 2 plus 3. again it is into 2. But whereas from here to here it is sudden increase to into 3. That means it is not following a particular pattern. Then we need to go for the differences. And 19 and 39, tell me what is the difference we have? 19 and 30, the difference is 11. 30 and 63, the difference is how much? 33. 11 and 33. How can you write this 11 and 33? Multiples of 11. 11 into 1, 11 into 3. Next one, 99. Isn't it? 11 into 1, 11 into 3, 11 into 9 వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. And 162 and 459, 9 minus 2, 7, 45 minus 16 is how much? 29, 297. And next one, 459 and this one, and 891. Here these are the differences between these numbers. Now out of these differences, if you observe here, now this is 11 into 1, 11 into 3, 11 into 9. Now here, 11 into how much? 11 into 2, 20, 27. And here, 11 into 81, isn't it? 11 into 81. That means powers of 3. 3 power 4, 3 cube, 3 square, 3 power 1, 3 power 0, isn't it? 3 power n, 3 power 0. Hence, what is your answer here? Now in this one, 11, 33, 99 and 279. Now ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎంత రావాలి చెప్పండి? 81 రావాలి. 11 into 81. And how much is this one? 450. 9 plus 1 is 10, 0. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 8, 14. Isn't it? And 1 plus 5, 6 plus 9 is 15. Hence 13, 8 is the wrong one. Clear how much to be added here? Now 11, 33, 99, 297, 891 should be added to this 459 to get 1380. And the wrong one is 1380. That is choice 1, question number 5. Clear? Now this is all about wrong number series. From today onwards, let us start include this wrong number series more frequently. Because now your target is to work out this wrong number series in a half a minute. But whereas you people are taking minimum 1 minute. In order to reduce the time, let us solve this wrong number series more frequently. Okay? Make a regular game on discuss. Then coming to the next one, and a puzzle. Now this is based on parallel rows. Now in this parallel rows, yes, I'll give some 3 minutes to you. Try to work out this one under 3 minutes. 12 persons in 2 different rows. P, Q, R, S, T, and U, they are facing south. A, B, C, D, and F, they are facing towards north. We need to identify the order in which these persons were seated. Yes, Sundaram, PDF is different and this is different. మా అందరితో పాటు మీరు లైవ్ సెషన్లో వర్కౌట్ చేస్తేనే యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు వర్కౌట్ దిస్ వన్. యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు ఫీల్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు అసెస్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ వేర్ యు ఆర్ స్టాండింగ్. మా అందరితో పాటు చేసినప్పుడు మీకు ఏమర్థమవుతుంది, మీరు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు, ఎంత స్పీడ్ పెంచాలి, ఎంతవరకు కరెక్ట్ చేయగలుగుతున్నాం, అవన్నీ క్లారిటీ వస్తాయి మనకి. అదే పీడిఎఫ్ అనుకోండి, పీడిఎఫ్ ఇస్తే ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని చేస్తారు, ఎంత టైం పడుతుందో ఎవరికీ తెలియదు, ఎలా చేయగలుగుతున్నారో తెలియదు. దానివల్ల మనకి ఎగ్జామ్కి అయితే పెద్దగా యూజ్ఫుల్ ఉండదు. అవన్నీ ఆలోచించి వీ హ్యావ్ స్టార్టెడ్ విత్ దిస్ లైవ్ సెషన్స్. ఓకే, హర్షిత, యూ హ్యావ్ డన్ గుడ్. చిన్ని కంప్లీటెడ్, ఫైన్, గుడ్. అఖిల కంప్లీటెడ్. Arvind, fine. Yes, Arvind, how is your health? Is it okay now? Janshi Lakshmi, good. Krishnaveni completed. Narsappa, Bhargavi, Arvind, good. The last 30 seconds. Lakshmi completed. The last 15 seconds, make it fast. Those who haven't done it, ఇంకెవరెవరు చేయలేదు ఒక్కసారి త్వరగా చేయండి. The last 10 seconds in fact. Now coming back to this one. Now here how many persons are there? 12 persons were there. Now 6 persons in one row and 6 in the other row. Isn't it? Now tell me who are the persons in the row which is facing towards south. Row 1, P, Q, R, S, T and U, and all of them are facing towards south. Now these are the 6 persons who are facing towards south, P, Q, R, S, T and U, and these are the persons who are facing towards north, A, B, C, D and F. Then S sits out to the right of Q. S is seated out to the right of Q, and either S or Q sits at one of the extreme ends of the line. Now this is a crucial point here, and either S or Q sits at one of the extreme ends of the line. Then coming back to this one, now either S sits out. If S is here, 1, 2, Q will be here. This is one possibility. Now follow here, S sits out to the right of Q, and either S or Q sits at one of the extreme ends. Now in the second case, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here again there are 6 persons. Now if Q is here, then 1, 2, 3, S will be here. మీ ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ ఏం చెప్పండి అంటే ఎస్ అనేవాడు క్యూకి థర్డ్ రైట్లో ఉన్నాడు. ఈ ఇద్దరిలో ఎవరో ఒకరు ఒక ఎండ్లో అయితే ఉన్నారు అని అన్నారు. కనుక ఇక్కడేమో ఎస్ని తీసుకున్నాం, ఇక్కడేమో క్యూ తీసుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ క్యూ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు, ఇక్కడ ఎస్ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. క్లియర్? మనకి ఫైనల్లీ ఓన్లీ 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్. అండ్ the one who faces Q sits second to the right of E. Q కి ఎవరైతే ఫేసింగ్ ఉన్నారో this person is seated second to the right of E కాబట్టి E must be here. Clear? The one who is facing Q sits third to the right of E, E must be here. Clear now? E is here. And 2 people between B and F. Neither B nor F sits at any extreme ends of the line. And 2 people between B and F. Now B and F cannot be here. And similarly B and F cannot be here. Isn't it? Can you have B here? B ఇక్కడ ఉంటే F ఇక్కడ రావాలి, F ఇక్కడ ఉంటే B, not possible. Hence B and F cannot be here. ఇక్కడ B ఉంటే F must be here, not possible. ఇక్కడ F ఉంటే ఇక్కడ B రావాలి, not possible. This is also not possible. ఇక్కడ ఈ B or F ఉంటే ఇక్కడ next one not possible. Hence this case is completely ruled out. Now we have left with only this case. Done with this? Now B and F. Hence if B is here and F will be here, or if B is here, F will be here. Must have the two possibilities, B or F, B or F. The next one, neither B nor F sits at any extreme ends of the line. The immediate neighbor of B faces the one who sits out to the right of B. The immediate neighbor of B. The immediate neighbor of B, as B is here. B ki immediate neighbor, this person. In ki opposite ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో that person is seated out to the right of whom? Out to the right of P అన్నారు. P కి third right. And అప్పుడు P ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? ఇక్కడ there is a possibility. Clear? Then B's neighbor is facing the one who is out to the right of P. అదే B's another neighbor ఎక్కడ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. Yes, S must be out to the right of P, not possible. Hence we are not talking about this neighbor, right hand side neighbor. You are talking about the left hand side neighbor. And this is one possibility. Now ఇక్కడ B వస్తే B కి immediate neighbor opposite, this person cannot be out to the right. ఈ నైబర్ తీసుకున్నా not possible. Hence what is the only possibility we have? We are talking about this neighbor only. Then coming back to this one. Then where should this be here? Now B must be at this place. Okay? Now B ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి. మా B ఇక్కడ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? F must be here. B కి ఆపోజిట్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో B's neighbor కి ఆపోజిట్ out to the right of P is here. సరిపోయిందా? B's neighbor is opposite to the one who is seated out to the right of P. R and T are immediate neighbors to each other. As R and T are immediate neighbors to each other, R ఇక్కడ ఉంటే T ఇక్కడ, R ఇక్కడ ఉంటే T ఇక్కడ. R and T are immediate neighbors, and C sits out to the left of A. Now C is seated out to the left of A, కాబట్టి C ఇక్కడ, A ఇక్కడ. Then who is the person left over here? D is the person left over. R and T are immediate neighbors. R and T immediate neighbors అయితే మిగిలిపోయింది ఎవరు చెప్పండి? U must be at this place. And T does not face the immediate neighbor of D. D కి immediate neighbor ఎవరు చెప్పండి? This person is not opposite to T, and T cannot be here. T is here and R is here. And what is the final arrangement? T R S P U Q D B C E F A is the final arrangement. Clear? Then coming to question number 6. Now 6th one answer చెప్పండి. Let's start working out this one, question number 6. Who among us the following person sits at the extreme ends of the row? My extreme ends of the row, please tell me the answer. Who among us the following person sits at the extreme ends of the row? Any answer please, question number 6? Quick. Yes, choice too good. Now extreme ends of the row S and D. S and D, they are not at the extreme ends of the row. Q and A. Yes, Q and A are at the extreme ends of the row. That is choice to question number 6. Then 7th one. Let's try to work out question number 7. My 7th one చేస్తారా? Who among us the following person faces S? S కి opposite ఎవరున్నారు? Tell me the answer. The one who is opposite to S. And S is opposite to whom? C. And C is given in choice 3. Good. C, that is choice 3. Then coming to question number 8. My 8th one చెప్పండి. Next question please. How many persons are sitting between U and R? Now in between U and R, how many persons are seated? Now U is here and R is here. How many people are there in between these two? 2. And 2. And it is given in choice 2. Okay, good. Now there are only 2 people between U and R. That is choice 2, question number 8. Then next one, question number 9. Yes, question number 9 please. If P is related to A, P is related to what? P is related to A. P is related to A, that is A is here, A is opposite Q, second right is P. Opposite second right. And S is related to F. Yes, F's opposite second right is F. And in the same way, T is related to. T is related to whom? C's opposite second right. C's opposite second right is T, and C, that is given in choice 1, question number 9. Okay, good. Then coming to question number 10, which of the following is true? Which of the following is definitely true? Yes, choice for good. Now here, which of the following is true? F faces T, that is false, because F is facing whom? F is facing U but not T. And U is an immediate neighbor of T. U and T are not immediate neighbors. This is again false. F faces the one who is sitting second to the right of T. But T second right, there is no person here. This is again false. And T sits at one of the extreme ends of the line. That is definitely true. Choice for question number 10. Clear now? Now this is about the first 10 questions. Now in the first 10 questions, tell me what we have done. My ఏం చేశాను చెప్పండి. And we have discussed 5 wrong number series and followed by parallel rows seating arrangement. Then coming to the next one, now certain number of persons. Let's start working on this one, certain number of persons in a row. Now another puzzle here. All the persons are sitting in a row. They are facing towards south direction. The persons who are seated in this row, they are facing towards south direction. Yes, Vardhan completed? Good. Arvind completed, good. Satish, fine. Good, you have done this one in lesser than 2 minutes. Very well done. Meghna, fine. Good going, keep it up. Narsappa, Lakshmi, Sindhura, Anusha completed, Krishnaveni, smart, Divyavani, Gayatri. The last 25 seconds, Banu. Jhansi Lakshmi. So time is up. Now in this one, a certain number of persons are seated in a row and all of them are facing towards south is clearly given. Clear? As south is clearly given and Q sits out to the right of S. South means their direction and our direction will be opposite. And Q sits 6th to the right of S. Now Q is here. Now this Q is 6th to the right of S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S is here. Q is seated 6th to the right of S. Clear now? That means Q is S's right hand side. That is Q is towards our left hand side because they are facing towards south. Now Q sits 6th to the right of S. T sits 4th to the left of Q. 1, 2, 3, 4. T is here. Now this T is 4th to the left of Q and only 2 persons between Q and P. Now in between Q and P, how many people? There are exactly 2 people. Now 2 people between Q and P, P can be to the left hand side of Q or to the right hand side. Now there is another possibility here and 2 persons between P and Q. 1, 2, 3, T is here, blank and S. Now we have taken both the possibilities. Now 2 persons between whom? Q and P. Now Q and P 2 people, P is to the right hand side of Q and left hand side of Q. Then next one 6 persons between W and V. Now W ki V ki must enter exactly 6 persons. And R sits 4th to the left of S. R is 4th to the left of S. 1, 2, 3. R is 4th to the left of S. 1, 2, 3. R is 4th to the left of S. R is 4th to the left of. U sits in between S and T. Now U is the person between S and T, and here also U is in between S and T. And W is third from one of the ends. W is third from one of the ends of the row. And next one, V is seated second to the right of U. Now in this case, V is seated second to the right of U is not possible. This is ruled out. And V is seated second to the right of U. 1, 2, V is here. V is seated second to the right of U. The next one, and if V is seated W and V, how many people are there? 6 people. and 6 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, W and R must be in the same place, not possible. Hence this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, now W is here. And if W is here, W is third from one of the extreme ends, and there are 2 persons to the right hand side of W. Then, and V sits second to the right of U, and S is sitting 8th from the left hand of the row. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, S is here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Any other information we have? R is 4th to the left of S. R is 4th to the left of S. Then, and so what is the final arrangement we have? R blank S U T V. Now here, let's go to the information once again. Q sits 6th to the right of S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And T sits 4th to the left of Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, that is fine. And only 2 people between Q and P? Yes, 2 people. And 6 in between W and V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, W and V 6. R is 4th to the left of S, that is also fine. U is in between S and T, that is 2. W is third from one of the extreme end, that is also 2. And V sits second to the right of U, that is also 2. S is sitting 8th from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? And this is the final arrangement we have. And according to this one, tell me what is your answer here. Question number 11. My 11th one chestara? Then tell me how many persons are sitting in the row. Tell me the total number of persons in this row. Question number 11. Anyone please? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Clear? Are you getting 17 or anything else? A certain number of persons are sitting in a row. All of them are facing south. And Q is 6th to the right of S. And Q is 6th to the right of S. Yes, S is here and S is here. Fine. Okay? Make it decimal. And Q is 6th to the right of S. And forget about this S here. Q is 6th to the right of S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Q is 6th to the right of S. T sits 4th to the left of Q. Q is 6. T sits 4th to the left of Q. That is again fine. And next one. And only 2 people between Q and P. In between Q and P, there are 2 people. And 6 persons between W and V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, fine. R is 4th to the left of S, fine. And U is in between S and T, that is also true. W is third from one of the extreme ends. And V sits second to the right of U. And S is sitting 8th from the left end of the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. S is 6th, 8th from the left end of the row. Now left end of the row, S is 8th from left hand of the row, we cannot take S at this place. All the persons are facing towards which direction? South. As the persons are facing south, from the left hand of the row means from this side. S is 8th. That means 7 persons to the left hand side of S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 17 plus 3, how many are there? 20 persons. And so what is your answer here? Now coming to question number 11. How many persons are there? S. Soumya and Shyamla, south direction. Now this is the left hand. Now in this case, how many persons are there? There are some 20. 20, that is choice 1, question number 11. Okay? Then coming to 12th one. Now in this 12, and how many persons are in between T and P? Now T ki P ki madhya ent mandi unnaru cheppandi? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 persons in between T and P. What is your answer? Choice 2 is the answer, question number 12. Okay? Yes, 20. Next question. How many are in between T and P? In between T and P, there are exactly 6. That is choice 2. The next one, 13th one, please. My next question, just 13. Which among the following person is sitting third to the left of Q? Among the following, who is third to the left of Q? Ma Q ki third left lo evaru unna cheppali? Q is a left hand side, means towards our right hand side. Who is that person? V. And V is here. V, that is choice 5. Okay? Yes, good. Choice 5. Next one, coming to question number 16. Now 4 out of the following. Next one, question number 14. And 4 out of the following. 4 out of the following, tell me your answer here, 14th one. U and V. Now U and V there is one person, V and Q there are two persons, S and T there is one person, W and P they are adjacent, and Q and P there are two persons. Now with respect to the number of persons, they are not uniform, isn't it? Hence we cannot get the answer. Then we need to check out the direction. Now U and V. Now U is second to the left of V, left hand side. And whatever this U is left of V. And V and Q. And V is to the left of Q. V is to the left of Q, that is fine. And S. And S is to the left of T. S is to the left of T. And next one W and P. Now W is to the right of P. Yes, fine. Yes, almost all of you have given the correct answer except choice 4. And in the remaining choices, first person is to the left of the second person, but as in choice 4, first person is to the right of the second person. And choice 4 is the odd one, question number 14. And how many persons are sitting to the right of the one who sits out to the right of S? My S ki thought right everuna cheppandi V. Now to this V, how many persons are sitting to the right of this V? V ki right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 persons to the right hand side of this V. 9 that is given in choice 1, question number 15. Clear? Now today we have come out with the different types of questions, and one is wrong number series we have started, and at the same time certain number of persons also we have started. Okay? And this is about question number 15. Hope you have followed this one. Then coming to question number 16 onwards. Now in the 16, try to work out this one. I will give 1 minute to this one, start working on this. Yes, Vardhan, thank you so much. Maybe this is the first time you are coming to this session or what? Daily we all people are enjoying these sessions. Not my point of view, but whereas from the student point of view, I have got that feedback, and students are really enjoying these sessions. That is the reason we are having more than 100 persons in the live session itself. That too in the mid-afternoon. మధ్యాహ్నం పూట భోజనం చేసి 2 గంటలకి సెషన్లో కూర్చోవడం అంటే చాలా కష్టమైన పని. అయినప్పుడు కూడా చూడండి 100 మెంబర్స్, మోర్ దెన్ 100 మెంబర్స్ వేర్ దేర్. ఓకే, అందుకే అంటున్నా మీరు ఈరోజు ఫస్ట్ సెషన్ ఏమో, అందుకే మీకు కొత్తగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఎనీహౌ, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. అండ్ అగైన్ ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు బీ డైలీ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్. ఓకే, మరి రెగ్యులర్గా రండి. Then coming back to this one, what is your answer here? Question number 16. Now only a few books are pens, isn't it? Now few books are what? Only a few books are pens. That means now these pens and all these pens are bag. This entire pens are what? Entire pens are a part of bag. And some bags are papers. Some bags are. That means only some of the books are pens, but not all. And some books are papers. Some books are papers, that is false. And next one, some books are not papers, that is definitely true. Now to make this one false, మనం ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి చెప్పండి? ఆల్ బుక్స్ ఆర్ పేపర్స్ అని చెప్పాలి. ఆల్ బుక్స్ ఆర్ పేపర్స్ అని చెప్పొచ్చా లేదా? ఈ బుక్స్ అన్ని పేపర్స్ ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. బ్యాగు పేపర్ కలవాలి, బ్యాగు పేపర్ కలిసింది. క్లియర్? ఈ బుక్స్ అన్ని పేపర్స్లోకి వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా లేదా? పేపర్ దేంతో కలుస్తుండాలి? బ్యాగ్తో కలుస్తూ బుక్స్లోకి రావచ్చు. కనుక ఆల్టర్నేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ ట్రూ, ప్రీవియస్ కంక్లూజన్ ఫాల్స్. ఇంతకు ముందు ఫాల్స్ అండ్ అఫర్మేటివ్ కంక్లూజన్. సమ్ బుక్స్ ఆర్ పేపర్స్, ఇప్పుడేమో ఆల్ బుక్స్ ఆర్ పేపర్స్ ట్రూ అయింది. కనుక ఫస్ట్ది ట్రూ అయితే సెకండ్ది ఫాల్స్, సెకండ్ది ట్రూ అయితే ఫస్ట్ది ఫాల్స్. హెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ ఓన్లీ వన్ కెన్ బి ట్రూ, బోత్ కెనాట్ బి ట్రూ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్. హెన్స్ ఈదర్ 1 or 2, చాయిస్ 3, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 16. ఓకే, దెన్ కమింగ్ టు క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 17. మా 17th వన్ చేయండి. Okay, so time starts now, question number 17. Yes, fine. Yes, coming back to this one. All these mangoes are what? All these mangoes are bananas. These entire mangoes are bananas. And only now a few bananas are grapes, isn't it? Then next one, no grape is a kiwi. No intersection between what? Grape and a kiwi. Then here some mangoes can be kiwis. Now mango and kiwi. Kiwi grape to kalavakodu. Kalavakoni ila raskochu kada mango, kiwi? Yes, that is possible. Then coming to the next one. And some kiwis are bananas. Kiwi is here, banana is here, that is false. And so what is your answer? Only one. And only one, that is choice one. Now some of you have given choice for Prasad and Madhava. Mami different answers. Maunika, you have given choice 5. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ సమ్ కివీస్ ఆర్ బనానాస్ అంటున్నారు. అండ్ ఇది ఏమవ్వాలి? డెఫినెట్ కన్క్లూజన్. మరి డెఫినెట్గా కివీ బనానా అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నో ఫాల్స్ అయింది కదా. ఒకసారి ఫాల్స్ అయితే 100% ట్రూ అయితే కాదు. దట్టు ఇది ఏంటిది? డెఫినెట్ కన్క్లూజన్. ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాడు? కెన్ బి. కెన్ బి అంటే అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా అన్నాడు. ఎస్, కివీని ఇక్కడికి మనం కలపచ్చు. అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది కాబట్టి అది ట్రూ అయింది. క్లియర్? సెకండ్ వన్ ఏమో డెఫినెట్ కన్క్లూజన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ట్రూ ఫర్ ఎవర్. దెన్ కమింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ప్లీజ్. Yes, Meghna. Can be means a possibility. Clear? Can be, maybe, could be, might be. All these are the different cases for possibility. Okay, good. Let's start working out this. Yes, both. Good. Is done? 5 and 2, 5 and 2 ఇస్తున్నారు choices. Yes, Vasundhara. Definitely. అన్నీ ఒకే రోజు కుదరవు కాబట్టి ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఫ్లోర్ ఇస్తున్నాము, ఒక్కొక్కసారి సీటింగ్ అరేంజ్మెంట్, ఒక్కొక్కసారి సర్టెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్స్. అవునా కదా? లాస్ట్ వీక్లో మనకి మల్టిపుల్ ఫ్లోర్స్ అండ్ మల్టిపుల్ ఫ్లాట్స్ కూడా డిస్కస్ చేసాం లైవ్లో, అండ్ ఫ్లోర్ అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ కూడా డిస్కస్ చేసాం. ఇప్పుడు సర్టెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వచ్చాం. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ కవర్ all those puzzles once again. Please do not get worried about. All the models in puzzles will be covered for you. Okay, that is the reason we have started so early for this one. చాలా రోజుల క్రితం అందుకే స్టార్ట్ చేసాం మనం. లాస్ట్ టైం ఆర్బీఐకి మనకి కొద్దిగా లేట్గా స్టార్ట్ అయింది, అయినప్పటికీ అన్నీ కవర్ చేయగలిగాం హరీగా. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఏమిటంటే మనకి చాలా స్పాన్ ఉంది, టైం ఎక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి వీఆర్ కవరింగ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ మోడల్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్. దట్ టు ఈచ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ మోడల్ ఈజ్ రిపీటింగ్ మినిమం 4 to 5 times. Okay, please do not get worried about that one. Some oranges are apples. Now some of the oranges are apples. Now these are the oranges that are apple, orange and an apple. And next one, no apple is a papaya. No intersection between apple and a papaya. And each papaya, each means all. Each papaya is a guava. Each always stands for all. Then first one, and some apples or guavas is a possibility. Some apples or guavas అంటున్నాం. కొన్ని యాపిల్స్ గోవాస్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉన్నట్టు గోవా ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదమ్మా, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? యాపిల్ అండ్ పప్పయా కలవకూడదు, యాపిల్తో పప్పయాతో కలవకుండా గోవాని ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చా లేదా, ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసుకోవచ్చా లేదా? ఎస్, hence that is definitely true. Okay, it is possible. And next one, some oranges are papaya. Orange and papaya. Orange ఇక్కడ రాసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా, ఆరెంజ్, isn't it? ఇది కూడా true. Hence both 1 and 2 choice for question number 18. And next one, question number 19. As in this question number 19, I start working out this one. Just 20 seconds సరిపోవాలి ఈ type of questions. Let's make it fast. Coded inequalities. Last 2 questions on coding and coded inequalities. Fine, your time is up. Now P and T. The relation between P and T, T ikkada, P ikkada. First forget about the symbol equal to. Clear? Then from T to P, what is the symbol that is common here? Greater than or equals to. That is T greater than or equals to P means P lesser than or equals to T. Hence P is either lesser or equal. Now ikkada emantunna cheppandi. Now here P lesser than T and P equals to T. Kanuka P is either lesser or equal. Either lesser or equal, either 1 or 2, choice 3, question number 19. Okay? Then finally question number 20, 21. Now question number 20, the last question for today's session. Make it fast. Mandaru correct ga cheyali. Last question, and you need to let us close the session with a positive note. Yes, choice too good. Yes, everyone has given the correct answer. My last question chala perfect ga chesaru andaru. Then coming back to this one. Now D and R. R to D. R is here, D is here. Two opposite symbols, so no relation can be drawn. And next one M and W. Now in this M and W, M is here, W is here. Between these two, which symbol is common? Lesser than. Hence M lesser than W definitely true. Hence only 2 is true, that is choice 2, question number 20. Clear? Now this is all for today. As Jansi, my last time మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం బ్లడ్ రిలేషన్స్, మళ్ళీ బ్లడ్ రిలేషన్ చెప్పుకుందాం. Okay? And this is all for today. Thank you for your participation. And next session is going to start at 3 o'clock. Please be tuned to that session as well. Okay? Thank you one and all. Let's meet again tomorrow.